Good evening, everyone. This is Lynn from Pepper Peas. First and foremost, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into my channel this evening. Today I am on with a collaboration of hashtag Flip Through Friday, which is being hosted by Gwen the Trash Witch. And so, as you all know, with this being the month of July, as I said, it's my birthday month, and there's Christmas, well, hashtag Christmas in July going on at the same time. And so to kind of not celebrate, but to kind of support all three of them, meaning hashtag Flip Through Friday, hashtag Christmas in July, and pretty much, just my birthday. I've been doing a giveaway the entire month. So as part of tonight's flip through, what we're going to cover is, we're going to cover this Park Lane pad that I found at Ollie's a while ago for $4.99. The reason we're covering this pad is because it covers all of the seasons, okay? And so it's 45 sheets in here. I really don't know the actual GSM on the paper, but it feels like it might be maybe like about an 80 pound, okay? So we're gonna cover this first, okay? So another reason why I decided to cover this is because, like I said, it has all of the seasons. There are, how many designs are there? 15 designs in 3 sheets each. Well, it starts off with what? Happy New Year. I like this. I like these cut aparts. I think it's really, really nice. One of the things that I can consistently say about Park Lane papers is they have an extremely good weight. And whether you're purchasing the papers, the actual papers, which are about what, 65 pounds, or the cardstock, they are of good quality. So here is the celebration, Happy New Year celebration sheet. I like this. This is cute. I like it. And we got Valentine's Day. Cute cutouts or cut aparts. It's cute. Make sure I don't have anything else pulled. Okay. Then it goes over to Easter. These are some cute little bunnies. I'm just assuming this is just like spring in itself, okay? Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Did I pull an additional one? Yeah, I did. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3. So I think this is just like the start of spring. Got your carrots, your strawberries, cute little flowers. These are cute. This is a cute sheet. And then I think again, this is some celebration of spring. Then we got some more cut aparts here. So now it says Happy Father's Day. So now we're over in June. So I'm going to go back for a second. April, May. Maybe this was Mother's Day right here. Okay. And then we've got Father's Day. Then we've got July. I'm assuming it's just going to be what, good old-fashioned summer. You've got pineapples, strawberries, cherries, watermelon. Oh my God, this is a cute sheet. It really is. Then we've got this cute watermelon sheet. Okay. Then you got your Halloween cut aparts. Candy corn. Scarecrow. Boo. Then we've got Harvest. I'm assuming this is Harvest. These are some cute sheets. Deer. Yeah, this is cute. I'm going to assume, again, this is part of Harvest. Thanksgiving, forgive me, this is Thanksgiving. Then we get over into Christmas. These are some cute cut aparts. I think this is a neat pad overall, I really do. You got some tags here, got some cut aparts. It's nice. Then we've got another sheet of Christmas. That's nice, got some nutcrackers on there. Wreaths, presents, candy canes, stockings. This is cute. Then we come to this page, which has, is this the last page? I think this is the last page here with the snow. I think this is a pretty page. Okay. So I honestly don't know what this pad is called. In fact, a lot of the pads from Park Lane, right before they closed, right before Joann's closed, I apologize. I don't know what a lot of these pads are called. And so I'm just going to tell you, oh goodness, look at what I'm doing. I'm just going to say that these are the seasons, okay? So I have another item I want to cover with you. This is cute. So now we have Candy Christmas from the Paper Studio, which you know, like I know, is what? Hobby Lobby. I'm going to cover the kit. This is what the papers look like on the back. This is cute. Refreshing, bright little colors. This is cute. Bright colors. Gingerbread house. It's cute. So let's see what they look like. Okay. So this is our sticker sheet right here. This is cute. This is so adorable. So adorable. Wow, cute. And then we've got the gold letter stickers here. And I'm gonna cover the pages real quick and then I'll cover the ephemera. This is pretty. So there's 2 sheets, as you're aware, there's 2 sheets in here of each design. This is really cute. This is pretty. Love the gold foil on there. It's pretty. This is cute. Look at that. Bright. Cute. This is adorable too. This is really pretty. And then these are the nutcrackers. Now, if you recall, I think, and you know what, it was probably on the clearance sale, but I remember when they were selling these little nutcrackers during nutcracker, forgive me guys, nutcracker stickers, during the clearance sale. So some of you may have picked some of those up. I think I probably only got like 1 package of them. Okay, so now we're going to cover the wonderful ephemera. Let's see what's in here. Okay, it's just, okay. All right, so it's, okay. So it has 1 gingerbread. It's layered. Oh, this is cute. And then it's got these little foam dots on here. This is cute. So this is all of the ephemera that comes along with this particular kit. All right. Let me put this back in here. Okay. Now, I have one final item that I want to show you. We've got Vicki Boutin's Evergreen Holly album set. Now, these are all of the items that are included in it. It's completely wrapped. It's brand new, never opened. This is nice. I hate that it has the cardboard right here because it doesn't give you an opportunity to see what's in it. And you guys know me, I'm not going to open it because whenever someone would receive this, I would want them to get it in the most pristine fashion. So this particular item includes all of these wonderful pieces in here. And so I know you guys are anxious. You want to know what is going to be tonight's giveaway item. Now, for July, this week, I am going to be giving away this particular album kit. Has all of these things in it. There's a plethora of things in it. And I'm going to be giving away this particular kit. Now, you just never know. I might end up putting something else in there, but for the sake of this giveaway, these are the items. Now, if you're wondering what should be the word for tonight, it's going to be evergreen. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas and participate in hashtag Flip Through Friday and hashtag Christmas in July. And to, be with me as I do this month. If you would be so kind as to subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again. And for me, the most important thing is be good to yourself. I'd greatly appreciate it. Take care.